Will the Fed's massive $1.5 trillion injection send Bitcoin skyrocketing? Next on your 4-Minute Crypto Show. Today's show is from a post by Cole Peterson at NewsBTC and brought to you by BitBlockBoom. Now, BitBlockBoom, it's the great Bitcoin conference I'm hosting in Dallas, Texas this August. And this is a true Bitcoin event, not a cryptocurrency event or a blockchain event. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, please take a look at BitBlockBoom.com. I hope I get to meet you in person at BitBlockBoom's third and best event yet. Now, the financial markets have been caught within the throes of an unrelenting downtrend over the past several weeks, which has reached a boiling point after the U.S. benchmark index posted one of their largest one-day sell-offs in decades, leading Bitcoin and all other digital assets to also plunge. Now, the New York Fed is conducting a massive liquidity injection into the markets in an attempt to ease fears regarding companies' access to capital. This $1.5 trillion, let me say that again, this $1.5 trillion capital injection is being referred to as the Fed firing its nuclear weapon by analysts. And it could have impact on Bitcoin and all other assets. The major U.S. benchmark indices all saw intense losses, with the Dow Jones plummeting 10%, while the S&P 500 and NASDAQ both dropped over 9%. It was the worst day the markets had seen since 1987, the market crash, with this ongoing sell-off being driven by widespread hysteria regarding the rapidly spreading coronavirus. The effects of this panic-driven sell-off haven't been limited to the traditional markets, as precious metals like gold and silver have also declined, while Bitcoin has seen unprecedented drops. Now, the New York Fed is now taking action to curb the market's downturn by pumping $1.5 trillion into the markets via Treasury's repurchasing program, which is an action commonly referred to as quantitative easing or QE. James Bianco, president of Bianco Research, spoke to CNN about the Fed's latest move to slow the market downturn, saying the Fed is all in. They fired their nuclear weapon, and they did it because financial markets are seizing up. There's no liquidity in the markets, and they're trying to unstick them. Now, the question is, will this enormous capital injection bolster Bitcoin? Since Bitcoin has been moving in tandem with the benchmark indices over the past several weeks, it's a strong possibility that this quantitative easing will help boost Bitcoin's price action in the days and weeks ahead. So, what do you think of the planned quantitative easing, and do you think it will help Bitcoin at all? Let me know your thoughts in the comments as always. And if you enjoy the 4-Minute Crypto Show, please take a moment and subscribe at 4minutecrypto.com/subscribe for a new episode of this show every weekday. Have it delivered to you. Maybe give me a 5-star review or a great comment while you're there. Those things help way more than you know. And don't forget, take a look at BitBlockBoom.com. If you're a Bitcoiner, this is a must-attend event. I'm GaryLeland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Crypto Show. This has been a CryptoPodcaster.com production.